All right, Corey, what do we got?
So this morning, we are working on a brand new BMW M2. It's got satin paint protection, or it's got satin paint. So we're putting matte paint protection film on it, so he can drive and not worry about damaging the paint. And everyone knows satin paint's really high maintenance, so this will protect the paint and make it a lot easier to maintain. So
How long will it take you?
the hood will take about an hour, and the bumper will take a couple of hours. And we already tinted the windshield. We did crystalline 80 on the windshield, so 97% heat rejection. And this is a manual, so it's one of the last manuals BMW is making.